only ones that can help us, providing I'm trying to help everyone as well, and we can seek help from each other as well. It says here, put your trust in God, O devotee, and you will never be betrayed. This way you can live your life and never cry in anguish. This life sometimes offers happiness and at other times immense pain. Immense pain. Similarly, we experience light and darkness. Acknowledge, therefore, that life is an illusion and smile at death. Enjoy this short time here. It's telling us to accept the life, that it's not permanent, and that we should just know that it's an illusion and smile at death and enjoy this short time here while we can. When happiness comes, enjoy it. Be prepared to tolerate unhappiness when it becomes your great lot. Do not discuss your anguish with anyone except the Lord. In this life, nothing is yours and nothing is mine. Everything you enjoy or suffer is determined by your past actions or ill fate. For sometimes I would always say, many times, bad things happen to good people all the time. And without any explanation, without even knowing why, we good people experience so much pains than usual. Just like Jesus Christ was stoned, was hurt on the cross by evil people. As such, he was a good person, he was a good soul, and yet he was hurt by those that were evil. Likewise with me, I always endure pain, wrongfully, unjustly, and sadly, no matter how much good, I always do. So, when things are going bad in your life, just know that even if you're in pain, and even if you're experiencing problems and pains in life, know that you do not deserve it because bad things happen to good people all the time. So, all we can do is keep praying and serving God, serving humanity, and doing good always. In life, when happiness comes, enjoy it. Be prayer to tolerate unhappiness when it comes. Do not discuss anguish with anyone except the Lord. In this life, nothing is yours. Everything you enjoy is determined by the past actions. Although humans are happy by nature, you, O devotee, are unhappy by your own choice and action. Today will determine your experience in the future parts. Before its creation, where was this universe? Where were you, O devotee? Before this birth, pay tribute to the Lord's creativity. Consider the purpose of this birth. Seek the guidance of the Lord and bow and chant to the Lord, O Prabhuji. भरोसा कर तू ईश्वर पर, तुझे रोका नहीं होगा। भरोसा कर तू ईश्वर पर, तुझे रोका नहीं होगा। ये जीवन बीत जाएगा, तुझे रोना नहीं होगा, तुझे रोका नहीं शैतानी है, ये माया है, तुझे रोका नहीं होगा। भरोसा कर तू ईश्वर पर, तुझे रोका नहीं होगा। ये जीवन बीत जाएगा, तुझे रोना नहीं होगा। जो सुख आवे तो हंस देना, जो दुख आवे तो सालेना। ना कहा ना कुछ कभी जग से, प्रभु से ही तू कह लेना। भरोसा कर तू ईश्वर पर, तुझे रोना नहीं रोना। ये जीवन बीत जाएगा, तुझे रोना नहीं होगा। भरोसा कर तू ईश्वर पर, तुझे रोना नहीं होगा। ये कुछ भी दूर नहीं जग में, तेरा बस की माया। तू खुद की तूप में बेटा, लेकिन निज रूप की छाया। नहीं रोना नहीं रोना। भरोसा कर तू ईश्वर पर, तुझे रोका नहीं होगा। ये जीवन बीत जाएगा, तुझे रोना नहीं होगा। भरोसा कर तू ईश्वर पर, तुझे रोका नहीं रोना। कहाँ ये था, कहाँ तो था, कभी तो सोच आए बंदे। झुका कर शीस को कारे, प्रभु बंदे, प्रभु बंदे। भरोसा कर तू ईश्वर पर, तुझे रोका नहीं होगा। ये जीवन बीत जाएगा, तुझे रोना नहीं होगा। भरोसा कर तू ईश्वर पर, तुझे रोका नहीं होगा। नहीं रोना नहीं रोना। Rona means to cry. So I'm saying, with the pains of life and with the pains in our bodies, please don't cry. Nahi roya, nahi rona, nahi. Don't cry. Serve, just try to pray and see and solve the problems as much as you can, and believe and hope and seek help and blessings from God and humans, that life will be better, health will be better, and everyone will be better. It says, the salvation of the dawn. Look at this day, for it is life, the very life of life. And in its brief course lies all the varieties and realities of your existence. The bliss of growth, the glory of action, the splendor of beauty, for yesterday is but just a dream, and tomorrow is only a vision. But today we live lives and we make it yesterday. But today, well lives makes yesterday, and every yesterday a dream of happiness, and every tomorrow a wisdom of hope. Look well, therefore, to this day. Okay? So, in conclusion, so that bhajan was for the past passing of Bibi Zabira's mom, and for everyone who had passed away, and for everyone who had lost loved ones, which we all have. This is for us all. For my cousin who have lost her past dad, and this bhajan actually I had last sung 2018 when I had lost a very close friend. She was like a sister, and her name was Yogita Prasad. May her soul rest in peace and happiness in heaven, knowing that we loved and cared for her. And I had promised to mention her on some social media in memory of her. So here I am years after, mentioning Yogita Prasad, may your soul rest in peace, and know that we all loved and cared for you and that you love and care for us. I'm glad that I finally made it through to mention you on this platform. May your soul rest in peace, Yogita Prasad. And also for the passing of Vicky and my grandmother, Chandika, and also for Harpreet Singh, who have passed away in an accident 2019, which was so sad and so brutal and so heartbreaking and so sudden. And Auntie Lily, may their souls rest in peace and happiness in heaven. And know that we all loved and care for you all, and please love and care for us all here. Look down upon us and bless us while you all are in heaven. I love you all. And for us all who are still alive, may God continue to bless us all with long life, health, strength, and happiness, peace and prosperity, and full restoration of life, health, and strength, and happiness. I love you all. Thank you so much for your support. And welcome, Holy Spirit. You are in my presence. Fill us with your power. Welcome, Holy Spirit. I've welcomed everyone, and I will now be saying goodbye to everyone until sometime again. Kabhi alvida, kabhi alvida. Never say goodbye. So I will not say goodbye. I will say see you again soon until we meet again here on this platform. And I will continue singing on my Facebook Live. That is Komalisa Prasad, KOMALISSAPERSAUD. So I'll continue singing more on my platform, even though there is so much pain and I'm in so much pain from all the damages everywhere and the muscles and nerves. I will still try to do my best to sing more for all you all, my loved ones, my viewers and supporters on my platform, Komalisa Prasad, because there will be another singer coming on this platform, I think around 7 p.m. So, blessings to you as well, the next singer coming. And I will be there also to support you. And also, I will be singing more on my YouTube channel. So, if perchance you miss me and you want to hear more songs, you can always find me on YouTube. You just simply type Komalisa Tum Hi Ho and you'll be able to see my little face icon there. And when you click on it, you can see all 400 of my videos. And you can always listen to my songs when I'm no more here. And also, my Facebook, Komalisa Prasad, I'll continue live. After maybe an hour, I will go there to continue alive on my Facebook as well. So, thank you all for your support and thank you all for being here. I love you all. Rubina, Homadeo Prasad, Ishwar Prasad, and everyone, Shobha Bharat, Riya Raguna, Komalisa Prasad, D Love, Princess D Love, and Sam, and everyone, Dates. And special thank you again to Rameshji, Christine Mohammed, and every one of you all wonderful people, wonderful souls, and the whole of Radio प्यार की बात platform, viewers, supporters, and host. You're all my family, so and loved ones. You're all my loved ones, so I really appreciate all of your kindness, and I will never forget you all because this is what I'm doing for all of you. Thank you again, RJ Ramesh and Shushma Prasad, and everyone that are here, that is here, and everyone there that were there before, and everyone everywhere. Thank you so much. I will close with just one bhajan for Navratri and for all the mothers and for all the gods. We asked them to give us their darshan, so that's why I sung Jai 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 Durga Maharani, Jai 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 Durga Maharani, Darshanaru Durga Maharani, Darshanaru Durga Maharani, Jai 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 Durga Maharani, Jai 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 Durga Maharani, Darshanaru Durga Maharani. दर्शनरो दुर्गा महारानी जय 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 दुर्गा महारानी जय 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 काली महारानी जय 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 कत्यूरी महारानी जय 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 oh God please help us. So it's asking to give darshan from every god. And the last bhajan, which is Tumbiniti Suno Sabiki, it's asking God, oh God, you listen to all the prayers of everyone. O Mother, bring happiness to the universe. You show us the path of truth. So help us, O Divine Mother Durga, and all of you gods. Please give us your darshana. This is the earnest desire of all. It is my wish as well. This is our cherished hope of you. What is mine and what is his? I am a stranger to all, and to life itself. Ignite, therefore, the light of love, unity, hope, peace, and wisdom, and understanding in all of us, and let the rays of love, hope, peace, restoration of good health and happiness shine in all directions upon us. This world is an illusion, temporarily real, and in a state of continuous change, sometimes hot and sometimes cold. He who comes here will one day leave. What is the true color of this life? What is the form of God? Only you know, O Mother. So help us, O Divine Durga Devi. Please help us, Devi Durga. तुम बिनती सुनो सबकी कल्याण करो जग का सत्रहारी का करके उधारी करो दुर्गा उधारी करो दुर्गा तुम बिनती सुनो सबकी कल्याण करो जग का सत्रहारी का करके उधारी करो दुर्गा ओ माँ उधारी करो दुर्गा तुम बिनती सुनो सबकी दर्शन हो माँ तेरी सबकी अभिलाषा है मन में रहो तुम सबकी तुमसे यही आशा है क्या मेरा क्या सिखा या अपना पराया क्या सब ज्योति जला करके रोशन करो जग सारा रोशन करो जग सारा तुम बिनती सुनो सबकी कल्याण करो सत्रहा हरि का करके उधार करो दुर्गा, उधार करो दुर्गा। तुम बिनती सुनो सबकी, संसार तुम आया है, कभी डूब कभी छाया है, एक दिन सो जाना है जो भी यहाँ आया है। क्या रंग है जीवन का, क्या रूप है मानव का, तुम ज्ञान बढ़ा करके उपकार करो दुर्गा, उधार करो दुर्गा। तुम बिनती सुनो सबकी, कल्याण करो जग का, सत्रहार का करके उधार करो दुर्गा, उधार करो दुर्गा। तुम बिनती सुनो सबकी। So, तुम बिनती सुनो सबकी meaning, please listen to my prayers, O God. Please listen to my prayers. And lastly, as I've mentioned before, I'll sing just this last one, Hey Malik Tere Bande Hum, which I've mentioned before. And Hey Malik Tere Bande Hum is a very sweet and important bhajan, which I love singing because it's very good what I'm saying to the Lord. It says here, O Master, we bow to you, O gods. We are your servants, and in this manner let our actions be. Let us walk in the path of virtue and avoid evil always. In the end, let us leave with a smile. There are dark clouds everywhere, and your children are so confused. We have become senseless, and we can't see the path clearly. The sun of happiness is concealed, but there is life in your light. So kindly terminate this darkness. O gods, we are faced with tyranny. Please take hold of us. While they do evil, please let us do good always. Please let us do good always. May our aspirations be unchanged, and let our actions be full of love, and let our hatred, pains, and problems be removed. Hey Malik tere bande hum, aise ho hamare kadam, नेकी पर चले और बदी से तले, ताकि हस्ती हुए निकले दम। हे मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, हे मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम, नेकी पर चले और बदी से तले, ताकि हस्ती हुए निकले दम। हे मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ये अंधेरा गला जा रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा, हो रहा बेखबर, कुछ ना आता नजर, सुख का सूरज छुपा जा रहा है तेरी रोशनी में जुर्म, तू अमावस को करे पूनम, नेकी पर चले और बदी से तले, ताकि हस्ती हुए निकले दम। हे मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम, ही प्यारी का हर कदम और मीठे बड़े भाई भरम नेकी पर चले और बड़ी से तले ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम हे मालिक तेरे बंदे हम ऐसे हो हमारे करम नेकी पर चले और बड़ी से तले ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम हे मालिक तेरे बंदे हम. So that concludes our tonight's segment from me, Komalisa Prasad, on Radio Pyar Ki Baat here tonight. And I hope you all enjoyed it. I want to thank you again for being here, for supporting me. Happy Navratri to every one of you. God bless you all, God bless us all, and God bless all our loved ones. And yes, Usha will be coming live 7 p.m. from Sydney, so stay tuned. So at 7 p.m. there will be another segment from another singer, and I would like to say thank you again, RJ Rameshji, and the whole of Radio Pyar Ki Baat family, you all my supporters, viewers, loved ones, everyone that were here and that are still here. Thank you so much for all of your sweet comments, support, and for being here with me. I hope you all enjoy the songs, the prayers, the bhajans, the English and Indian and Hindi, love songs, sad songs, bhajans, prayers, and the beautiful life messages that I've shared with all of us here tonight. Continue to shine, everyone. Remember, we are all irreplaceable and unique human beings. So continue to know that you're special. Continue to live healthy, happy, stay well, take care, and continue to pray, serve humanity, love each other, care for each other, and help each other. As we continue to unite everyone through music, through melodies, through songs, and through these very heart-touching verses, words, rhythm, melody, and words we are sharing through the music. I love the singing, I love music, and I love you all so much. God bless you. मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ, everyone. I love you all so much. Ram Ram and good night. Happy Navratri. Aram se, take care, and thank you so much again. I will be continuing to support the other singers, my fellow singers. I also wish you all good luck. You are all amazing, my fellow singers, fellow supporters, and fellow viewers and hosts. You are all amazing. Thank you so much for everything. Homadeo Prasad, Ishwar Prasad, Bibi Ali, a blissful Navratri, absolutely beautiful song, beautiful you. Oh, thank you so much, everyone. And Radio Pyar Ki Baat, thank you so much. Again, see you all soon. Again, Kabhi Alvida, never say goodbye. Let's just say see you again another time. I will be continuing to support daughter singers and supporting you all by singing for you all on the next segment, maybe next week. But for now, there will be another singer coming up, Usha, on Radio Pyar Ki Baat at 7 p.m. So I will be going on my Facebook and I'll be doing some live singing for you all through the pains, although the pains. And I hope that you all will enjoy it. So whenever I'm not here, you can always go on my Facebook and you can be able to see my other lives. And also on my YouTube, Komalisa Prasad Tunhiho, you'll be able to see some more of this. And yes, Yes, Ishwar, I'll be sharing this video here on my Facebook, Komalisa Prasad. So you all comments and you all names will be there as well. Thank you again for coming in, Ria Raguna, Homadeo, Bibi, and everyone. I'm not able to see all of your names, so sorry about that. But thank you. I know you're there, and you know that I love you all. That's why I'm here singing for you guys. Thank you again. Good night. God bless you. I love you all. Om Namah Shiva, Om Namah Shiva, Om Namah Shiva. Vakratunda Mahakaya, Sudakoti Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kudirnirva, Sarvakadishu Sarvada. Om Trambakam Yajamahe, Sukanyam Pushti Vardanam, Udavar Rukmiba Bandana, Mrityu Mukshya Mamritam. Bhuta Pisachnikaran Hiave, Mahabira Chabanama Sanave, Nasedu Hare Sabira Chapatinantar Hanumatabira. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Krishna Bhagwan ki jai. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti Hari Om. I love you all. Happy Navratri. Good night. Ram Ram. मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. I love you all. Thank you. And thank you again for having me. Radio Pyar Ki Baat and Ramesh ji and the whole of the host. Thank you. I love you guys. Good night. I'll be signing off now and good luck to the other singers. I'll be supporting you as I'm already supporting you. I'll be also on my Facebook after this doing live sessions from my Facebook, Komalisa Prasad. Thank you. Good night, everyone. Bye. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you to my mom and